Let the circus whirl around you. Enjoy it as the audience, and you can walk within at will. Jump into the ring, and the role claims you. The way home is forgotten.
तो दोस्तों ये पूरा जीवन जो है ना, ये पूरी दुनियादारी एक सर्कस की तरह चल रही है हमारे आजू-बाजू, राइट? सो लेट द सर्कस वर्ल्ड अराउंड यू, एन्जॉय इट एज़ द ऑडियंस। जब तक कि आप एज़ अ ऑडियंस उसे सब देख रहे हैं, यू कैन वॉक विदिन एट विल। आप कभी भी उससे विथड्रॉ होके अपने अंदर जा सकते हैं। बट अगर आप उस रिंग में कूद गए, अगर आप उसके एक्टर बन गए, अब आप भी परफॉर्मेंस करने लग गए, once you start performing the performance, when you take the role of that actor in the circus, right, then the role claims you. Now you become the circus. The way home is forgotten. फिर जो अंदर जाने का रास्ता हम भूल जाते हैं, हम उसी में वही माया जाल में फंस जाते हैं, उलझ जाते हैं. We get consumed by the matrix. The matrix is all around us. The moment you see the matrix as an audience, you will enjoy it. But the moment you become a part of the matrix, then you are being consumed by the matrix. Then you forget, oh, there's a way home inside also. That's why for some people it takes years to come back to the inner being, to find that home within. Some people it takes lifetimes. This matrix consumes you. That's why Jesus said, be in the world but not of the world. Be in the world but not of the world. So you have to always remember that whatever role you're playing, it's only a role. You're a spiritual being, came here to have a human experience. And multiple roles we play and we need to play. When you're with children, you need to play of a father or a mother. When you're in a business, you need to play of a business person or a job, whatever. Or a profession. If you're a doctor, you need to play the role of a doctor. If you're a spiritual teacher, you need to play of a spiritual teacher. But it's only a role. Do your part and depart. We all will do our part and depart. We're all travelers on this planet. We're all visitors on this hotel called planet Earth, right? We've all come here for a temporary experience, but we take it seriously and then we get engrossed in it. We become the part of the circus. So let the circus whirl around you, enjoy it as the audience, and you can walk within at will. Jump into the ring and the role claims you. The way home is forgotten. अब आप अपना रास्ता भटक गया, घर का रास्ता भूल गए आप.